Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this LG. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. It's called HD Audio Recorder. When you find it, click on it. Now select Allow in the pop-up and tap on this red button to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left one, and in order to save it and end it, click on the square one on the right. Now you can edit your recording from here and even rename it by choosing this X, holding it, and clicking on Rename section at the bottom left corner. Type in wherever you wish to, and click on Save. To play your recording, click on it. Start to record. If you wish to delete it though, you can click on this pin icon or hold it and choose delete at the bottom right corner. If you wish to create new recording, go back, tap on the red button and start again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!